your product is not your offer. Now, I used to hear this a lot from the gurus, right? The sales and marketing gurus. I used to hear it a lot. They'll say, your product is not your offer. Your product is not your offer. I'm like, okay, cool, no problem. So what is offer? And they don't go ahead to say, but all I say, your product is not your offer. I'm like, I'm going to explain what is the offer now. What is the offer? I'm lost. What is the offer? Finally, right? When I found out what it was, I'm like, this is so simple. Why were they not explaining it? Maybe they wanted to just sound like gurus or something. But quickly, let me tell you what an offer is. Your product is your product, right? But your offer is how you position your product to make it valuable, to make it attractive. It's how you position your product to increase the perceived value, right? Because the trick is this. When value exceeds price, transactions take place. I'll say it again. When value exceeds price, transactions take place. So your offer is how you position your products so that the value can exceed the price, and then the customer can say, give me that product now. I want to buy it. The customer can say, take my money. I want to buy your products. So let me give you an example. So let's use an example. Let's say you have a car, right? Let's say we have a car. This one is the product. Right? Now, how do you create an offer? How do you position this car to make it super valuable? Now, some people come and say, buy our car, like we are the most trusted brand in Nigeria. We are this one, come and buy our car from us, 5.5 million naira cash. Now, here is how an offer will look like. Buy our car, and when you buy this car, we'll install a free car tracker. We'll install a free car tracker, right? Plus free maintenance for, let's say, like 6 months. Now, when somebody is looking at this and just looking at the metaphor of a car, right? What happens? People say, they're even going to install tracker for me for free. They're going to fix the car for free if anything happens in the first 6 months. This is way much more than I'm paying for. What happens? The person goes ahead and pays this particular guy for the car. Is he selling the car? Yes, but he has attached a couple other products to make it look valuable, to increase the perceived value, right? If you sell digital products, your stuff for this will be bonuses, right? Add bonuses, add bonuses. If you sell, let's say you sell food, right? Free delivery. You could say you get, maybe you sell, listen, for every two wraps of shawarma you buy, you get free chops. No, just something, think about it, something that is going to position your product, right, as valuable, more valuable than the price people will pay for it. Once you can figure that out and start creating mad-ass offers, you are going to see like your sales is going to like leap up, right? This one tip can help you increase your sales. Know how to create good offers. Thank you very much for your time. I'll see you next time. Take care of yourself.